Welcome back, everyone. It's Sarah Michaels here, your go-to Wix expert. And today, I'm going to help you tackle a really common and frustrating website issue, blurry background or strip images in your Wix project. If you've ever uploaded an image to your site and thought, why does this look fuzzy or out of focus? You are not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fix those blurry images. And I'll show you a little trick that'll keep your site looking crisp and running smoothly. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is where you manage all the visual elements of your site. So if you're not already logged in, take a minute and sign in now. You can open up the editor for the specific site where you've noticed the issue. Now, here's how to spot the problem. Take a good look at your backgrounds and strip images. If something looks noticeably blurrier than it should, maybe the photo is less sharp than your original file, or it just feels off, don't worry. This happens to a lot of Wix users because of the way images are optimized during upload. But the good news is, there's a simple workaround. Here's what you need to do. Before you even upload your image to Wix, take your original picture file and run it through an online image compressor. There are tons of free tools out there, like TinyPNG or JPEG Optimizer. These tools reduce your image's file size without sacrificing noticeable quality. Just head over to one in your browser, upload your image, and let the compressor do its magic. It just takes a couple of seconds, and you'll download a new, much lighter version of your image that still looks visually sharp. Why is this step so important? Well, compressing your image yourself puts you in control. Wix will automatically compress large images, and sometimes that's where the blurriness sneaks in. By uploading a pre-compressed image, you ensure it's exactly the quality and size you want. No unexpected changes once it's on your site. Plus, a smaller image file will actually help your Wix website load faster, which is a huge bonus. Faster loading sites keep your visitors happy and can even improve your search rankings. Now, once you have your optimized image, just upload it to your Wix site as you normally would, replacing the previous blurry version. Take a look at it in your editor and then in preview mode. You're going to notice a big difference. The image should look clear and professional, and your page should feel snappier too. You might be wondering, is there an easier way? Well, Wix does offer an image compressor app right inside their app market. It streamlines the process, but there's a catch. You'll need to pay for it. If you're okay with spending a little money for convenience, that's an option. But honestly, the free online tools are more than enough for most people, and I use them all the time. So that's your fix. Next time you encounter a blurry background or strip image in Wix, just remember, compress your images online before uploading. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Wix tips and step-by-step guides. If you have any questions or hit a snag along the way, drop a comment below. I love helping out, and I always check the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.